My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2020 Ford Focus. This car comes with an EcoBoost. It has done 62,000 miles and it has a manual transmission. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have a keyless ignition. We have Bluetooth as a feature, navigation, full pass connect, Apple CarPlay and valet mode. And if we put it into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. The Focus also comes with heated seats and a variation of driving modes. You can have eco, sport or normal. And as we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that the seats have a leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.